What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Forrest Spinner back here, coming back to you live through the power of the internet. Well, this video we're not live, but this video we're going to be testing some Kidda smoke detectors. These just got replaced, but it is good to always do testing on your smoke detectors. Make sure they're working right, they got good batteries in case of a fire. Because you don't want these not working during a fire or smoke. So, this one, we're going to be starting with this one, the smoke detector, which is right in this area, like towards the living room and the kitchen area, by over here. So, yeah, just press that, get a light on. First you can see the carbon monoxide. Making sure it's not going to call 911 on me. Okay. Let's test them. 3, 2, 1.
Fire.
Oh, yeah.
Warning, carbon monoxide.
Okay. So those ones talk to you. And those are pretty cool, actually. I'm hoping it's not gonna start beeping at me again. But that one, we used to have these back when I grew up, and these things were pretty cool. Let's see. Push to hush. Okay, let's go to the next one. Oh, it's not focusing. Okay guys, now we are in the hallway. This is the hallway one. So this one, that is push to hush, and let's see, push and hold to test. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Okay, well that one works. We used to have the talking one in this hallway, actually. Alright, let's now test the one in the basement. There's really only 3 here, so we're going to give this one a go. Well, it did flood, so yeah. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Works. Okay guys, that was the testing of the Kidda smoke detectors, and this one, the one that talks to you, and yeah, so thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more content, leave a like, comment, don't forget, as always, to keep it cool.